Welcome to this unboxing video here at the Mom Kind. This month we have a really cool box to show you guys, and it's actually this SimplyEarth bonus box that we got sent. Now, if you haven't heard about SimplyEarth, they are essential oils and natural items, and these awesome boxes they send out. So your first box you get is this bonus box, right? And this has everything you need in it to get your essential oils going, you know, rollers, all that good stuff, right? And then it also includes that current month's box. So we have the October box, since it's October, of course, and we are going to check that out and see what all we got. So one of the really cool things that not only did SimplyEarth send us this box for you to check out, they have also sent a code for you guys, which I'll remind you again at the end, but it's called, you type in the Mom Kind free, and with your first box, so you get this bonus box, you get the current month's oils, and you'll get a $40 gift card just for using our code to use on future orders, which is like awesome, guys. So let's check out what's in the box. All right, so the first thing is this cute little note that says enjoy your box. So let's check out what it's got in it. All right. Just hi there. All right. SimplyEarth. We started SimplyEarth to make a natural home fun and easy. As part of that mission, we want to deliver you high quality oils that are loved from farm to bottle and sell them to you at an honest price. Each box is put together with love and care to carry out our mission to make a natural home easy. Thanks for considering SimplyEarth. If there's anything else our team can do to help make your home natural, let us know. Make Your Home Natural by Katie and Lee. And then also a cute little note at the bottom that says, within reason, we can't come to your house and clean it ourselves, but we can make it fun. I would love somebody to clean my house for me, but I totally agree. I understand. All right, guys. So this breaks down what's going to be in our big bonus box. Okay, so what's included in it is the coconut oil, which is an $8 value, almond oil, $8 value, fractionated coconut oil, $8 value, roll-on bottles, which is $10 value, 5 milliliter bottles for $8. So it's over $40 in values in your free bonus box that you get when you order your first essential oil box, right? And then what's awesome is, so they send you this box plus your recipe box. And then each month going forward, for the next, 5 months after that, you're going to get your recipe box. Well, then on the 6th month, they're going to send you another big box again to help replenish your stock. Okay, so guys, that's what that all is. Another awesome thing is give a free box, get a free box. So when you guys sign up on there, get your free coupons to give to a friend so that you can share a box with them and you get a box. It's going to be awesome. Okay. All right, guys. So how our recipe box works. Okay. And so the aromatherapist and team create the perfect recipes for your natural home. We send your pure oils at an honest price by cutting out the middlemen and working with the best farms. And then you get to make fun of essential oil recipes that make your home natural. All right, guys. So this is this month's recipe box. But first, I'm going to pull out all those items in the big box just so you can see them because they are some really good size items in here. All right. So this is the 100% pure coconut oil. This is the base of a lot of essential oil recipes, guys. So this is really important. Another thing they have in here, oh, awesome. It's actually beeswax, which that's used to make like lip balms and stuff like that. So that's awesome. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, so we have the almond oil and the coconut oil. And then, okay, so we have, okay, see if I can hold these all in one hand. Oh, they're awesome here. Okay, so we have the roll-on bottles. Got several of them here. And roll-on bottles are cool because that's where you put your oils inside them. You pop off this cap. If I can do it right. You put your blend in here, put this on, and then you can roll it on, throw this in your purse, in your pocket, by your bedside. It's just a great way to have your essential oils on the go and an easy way to assemble them. And then there is a whole bunch of the bottles to store your recipes in too. All right, guys, so let's check out this month's box. Okay, and oh, let's see, this is cute. Okay, so this box was handpicked by Cheryl. This adorable sticker on there of Cheryl. Thank you, Cheryl. All right. And then hashtag be a world changer, 13% to end human trafficking. They donate 13% of their sales to help end human trafficking. So if it wasn't even just for the essential oils that you wanted to buy it, you want to make your home natural, awesome. But if you really want to make an impact, go with SimplyEarth because they're making an impact on our world. All right, so let's check it out. All right. So you got the cute little stickers to tell you to put on everything on your bottles. You have, okay, let's see. So this month we have Balsam Fir. We have the Focus Blend. We have, I say this right, Cassia. And then we have, which is one of my favorite ones, the orange, sweet orange blend. All right. And then we have, oh, this will be fun. We have candle wicks. I got an idea where this is going. And soy wax. Awesome. And 2 empty lip balm carriers. All right, so let's check out the recipe cards for this month. All right, so we have the Fall Diffuser Blend. So that one's going to have the Focus, the Orange, the Cassia, the Balsam. Basically everything in the box mixed, right? And so you blend that, and that's going to be a great just fall diffuser blend. Put in your diffusers. That's going to be, oh, awesome. All right. The next one is a Focus Lip Balm, which sounds so cool. It's you get the beeswax, coconut oil, the solid kind, the almond oil, Focus blend, and then 2 lip balm containers. So you get to make that. So that makes 2 containers of lip balm too, which is awesome. Cassia and orange candle. As you can guess what's in there. You got the Cassia, the orange, the soy wax, a little bit of beeswax, coconut oil, and then the wick, and then you just need to come up with a little 2 to 3 ounce jar container. For all you mamas out there, those baby food bottles, or those little glass jars, those make great candles because you clean them out, get the labels off, and then you're able to put them in there that have a lid. You can make them cute, put stickers on it, just it's awesome. And then there are actual like stickers on here. So whether it's for you, you gift as a friend to a friend, just a cute little way to go. So that's just one good suggestion on candle options there. And then the next one is the Cassia and Balsam Fir candle. Same concept, but there's that one. Then 2 things that I'm going to love because I deal with a lot of myofascial pain. And it is a DIY Aromatherapy Rice Bag, which is great to heat up, put on your muscles. So basically, you use a clean sock. Yes, definitely a clean one. Guys, seriously. And you use rice, orange oil, and the Focus oil. So it's going to smell great. It's going to help, relieve those muscles. It's just a good thing. And then finally, my favorite here is going to be the joint pain roll-on. And so that one, it's orange. Basically, it's orange blossom, cassia, almond oil, all put into a roll-on bottle. And obviously, you're rolling it on. It's going to be awesome. So, yeah, guys. So that is everything in our box. This is going to be a great fall scent. Can't wait to see what is in November's box. So remember, guys, when you go, use the links below and make sure to use the code TheMomKindFree. Type that in the coupon box, and you guys are going to get a $40 gift card to use on future purchases. That is like a huge savings, guys. So definitely take advantage of that. Go with a great company. Excited to try out this box next month, and we'll see you then. Bye.